OPPO has just officially introduced the brand new A6 Pro. Let me share with you the details about its specifications and pricing. This is a budget-friendly smartphone designed to disrupt the market by offering premium features at a price point of approximately $250, although this is specifically in China. Its standout feature is its enormous 7,000 mAh battery, which supports fast charging at 80 watts via cable. Despite having such a large battery, the phone remains sleek and slim, measuring only 7.96 millimeters in thickness and weighing just 190 grams. Its screen is also a surprise. A 6.57-inch OLED panel with full HD resolution, 120 Hz in its refresh rate, and up to 1,400 nits of brightness. But where it really surprises is in the resistance. It has a metal frame, something that hadn't been incorporated too much in entry-level series devices, so it has STD MIL 180H military-level certification, and unexpectedly for its range, it offers all IP60, 66, IP68, and IP69 water and dust resistance. Inside, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, which is not an ultra-powerful processor, but I think pretty decent to compete in this price range. In addition, we will find up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage in its highest configuration. Its rear camera is dual, albeit with a 50-megapixel main sensor and the second for mere decoration. The OPPO A6 Pro is already on pre-sale in China with the price starts at 1,799 yuan, about $252. Remember, prices differ here and there. Share your thoughts in the comments on the industry's evolution and the attractive features now in mid and low range.